Taming the Proverbs, Art of Using Without Abusing. Hello language explorers, and welcome to another fun-filled session of our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into the world of proverbs. Proverbs are a wonderful part of our language, offering nuggets of wisdom in neat little packages. But remember, while they can spice up our conversations, overuse or misuse of these proverbs can turn the spice into a burn. So, our focus today is on how to avoid overusing and misusing proverbs in everyday conversation. First things first, let's remember what a proverb is. A proverb is a popular saying that gives advice or expresses a universal truth. They're like the seasoned elders of the language family, passing on wisdom and shared experiences. While they can add depth to your conversations, remember, less is more. Overuse of proverbs can make your speech sound forced or cliché, and it may distract from your original ideas. How do we spot overuse of proverbs? It's quite simple, really. If your conversations are peppered with proverbs at every turn, it's likely you're overdoing it. Be conscious of your use of proverbs and ensure that they are enhancing your point, not taking over it. For example, instead of saying, "We need to avoid putting all our eggs in one basket," remember, every cloud has a silver lining. But you can't judge a book by its cover. Try something like, "We need to diversify our efforts for better chances of success." The meaning is conveyed effectively without overloading your speech with proverbs. Misuse of proverbs is another pitfall we need to steer clear of. This happens when a proverb is used in an incorrect context, altering or misrepresenting its meaning. It's crucial to understand the proverb well before using it. For example, using the proverb, "Actions speak louder than words," in a situation where written agreements are vital, might not be the best fit. In this case, words, in the form of signed documents, actually carry more weight. To sum up, proverbs are valuable tools to enrich our speech and writing, but they must be used sparingly and appropriately. Overusing or misusing them can lead to confusion and may dilute our main points. But don't be discouraged, language learning is a journey, and it's all about practice. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your English proficiency be. So keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next session. Happy learning, everyone!